Today, I'll show you how to refresh your Gmail inbox. This is a quick but important skill that helps you make sure you're always seeing the most up-to-date emails, whether you're waiting for an important message or just like keeping your inbox current. First, you'll want to open your Gmail inbox. If you're on a computer, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website, then sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you should see your inbox with a list of your emails. Take a second to make sure you're actually looking at the main inbox view, not search results or a specific label like sent or drafts. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your primary inbox messages and the usual tabs at the top like primary, social, and promotions. If you're using Gmail on a phone or tablet, simply open the Gmail app from your home screen or app drawer. Again, make sure you're on the main inbox screen where your recent messages are displayed. Now that you're in your inbox, look for the refresh icon. On a computer, this is usually a circular arrow located near the top of the page above your list of emails. It's often near the search bar and other action buttons like select or more options. The refresh icon may look like a single circular arrow pointing clockwise. Move your mouse over it if you're not sure. You might see a small label appear that says refresh. On the mobile app, the way you refresh is slightly different but follows the same idea. Instead of a button, you typically pull down on the inbox list, then release it to refresh. When you drag your finger down from the top of your message list, you'll usually see a spinning icon appear, indicating that Gmail is checking for new messages. Go ahead and click the refresh icon on your computer or pull down to refresh on your mobile device. As soon as you do this, Gmail will start checking for any new emails that have arrived since the last time the inbox was updated. After you trigger the refresh, wait a moment for new emails to load. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection and how many messages Gmail needs to sync. You might see a small progress indicator, a spinning icon, or a brief message letting you know that Gmail is updating. Watch the top of your inbox for any new messages that appear. New emails usually show up at the very top of the list. If nothing new appears after a few seconds, that simply means there were no new messages at that moment. If you're expecting something time sensitive, you can repeat this refresh process every so often. And that's all there is to it. Open your Gmail inbox, use the refresh control, and give it a moment to load any new messages. Once you get used to where the refresh icon is or how to pull down to refresh on mobile, this becomes a very quick habit you can use anytime you want to make sure your inbox is fully up to date.